Hi guys, today I have a beautiful colorful pasta recipe for you for a roasted beetroot pasta. It has a beautiful color, a lot of flavor. It's super easy and quick to make, and I think it's perfect for autumn. Let's get started with the recipe. First, you want to start by prepping the garlic and the beetroot, just half the garlic like this, and cover your cutting board with parchment paper. This will protect the cutting board from getting stained with the beetroot. Then you want to remove the ends from the beetroot and cube the beetroot. Cover a baking pan with some olive oil, add the garlic and the beetroot and fresh thyme if you have. If you don't have any fresh thyme available, you can also substitute with dry thyme. Then you also want to season with salt and pepper and bake the beetroot with garlic until soft. In the meantime, you can toast the pine nuts. You just want to add the pine nuts to a dry pan and toast them over medium heat. Make sure to keep them moving so that they don't burn. Then you want to add the cooked beetroot and the garlic to a jug. This will make it easier for you to puree the garlic with the beetroot without staining your kitchen. Then you want to boil the pasta in salted water, and before you strain the pasta water, you want to reserve 2 ladles of the pasta water and leave it aside. Then you can strain the pasta and start making the beetroot sauce. For the beetroot sauce, you want to first puree the beetroot with the garlic, then add 1 ladle of the pasta water and continue pureeing shortly. Add the pasta sauce to a pan with the rest of the pasta water and the pecorino and heat it over medium heat until the cheese has completely melted. Once the cheese has completely melted, you can also add the pasta in, mix it well to combine and cover it with the beautiful beetroot sauce. At this point, you can also turn off the heat. I absolutely love how vibrant the pasta looks with the beetroot sauce. It has such a beautiful color. You want to serve the pasta while it's still warm with some pecorino cheese with the toasted pine nuts and some fresh thyme if you like. I hope you enjoyed my autumnal pasta recipe. I really love dishes that have so much color, especially in the autumn and winter season when it gets dark and gloomy outside. I think it's great to have a little bit of color in your day in the form of a delicious dish. These little things make me smile and make my day brighter, and I think it's exactly what we need during the dark winter season. If you enjoyed my recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.